Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send a copy of your document on the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select the document that you would like to send a copy of and just simply tap on the three dots icon next to its title. Now scroll down till you find this send a copy option and click on it. Now you should select the format of your copy, whether you would like it to be sent in the format of a PDF or a Word document. If you have tap on the relevant one that you would like to choose, just simply tap on the button OK down below. Now it's being prepared, and as you can see, you can select how would you like to send your document via AirDrop, message, Messenger, Gmail, Snapchat, or other kinds of social networking sites. So yes, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.